Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the earpiece speaker on the Samsung Galaxy A16 5G mobile phone. Please check the description for the repair tools, protective gear and compatible parts. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then begin the back cover removal process. To remove the back cover, gently heat the edges to soften the adhesive. For this, we are using a heating pad. Place the back cover side on the heating pad and select the mobile phone heating option. Leave it till the process complete. Alternatively, you can use a heat gun or hair dryer to warm the edges. Next, use a suction cup to create a small gap along the edge of the back cover. The ideal place to use the suction cup is at the bottom of the cover. Carefully insert a plastic cartwright tool into the gap and slide it around the edges to cut the adhesive. This process will take time and be gentle with the internal components. Always use the tip of the tool to free the adhesive. Once the adhesive is free, gently lift and remove the back cover. Next, verify if the SIM tray is out. Next, disconnect the fingerprint power button connector plug. Next, undo the 15 screws in the mid frame. Next, use a plastic cartwright tool to create an opening to separate the midframe. Next, disconnect the battery connector. Next, remove the not working earpiece speaker from the body. First, apply heat to release the adhesive holding the speaker, and then gently pry the faulty ear speaker from the frame. Next, place and secure the new speaker on the frame. Next, secure the battery connector. Next, place the mid frame and secure the fingerprint button connector and the SIM tray. Next, secure the frame by adding 15 screws. Verify all the mid-frame clips are properly fastened before inserting the screws. Next, before installing the main back cover, ensure it has enough glue. If not, use B7000 glue or new double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, secure the rear cover to the body using bonding clips. If bonding clips are not available, you can use rubber bands to apply even pressure. Leave them for some time to ensure proper bonding. Hope you have enjoyed the repair guide. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Please like, share and subscribe for more repair guides.